Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest version of Nova Launcher, which is packed with incredible new features and hidden tips and tricks that will completely transform your Android experience. So what's new in Nova Launcher? First, enhanced customization options. 2. Improved performance. 3. New gestures and shortcuts. 4. Dynamic options. 5. Redesigned App Drawer. These are just a few highlights. Now let's dive deeper into each feature and reveal some hidden tips and tricks. Nova Launcher has always been about customization, and this new version takes it to the next level. You can now adjust the icon size, shape, and even the color of app labels. Long press on the home screen, then select Settings. Then go to Look and Feel, Icon Style, to explore this new option. You can also create custom grid sizes for your home screen, giving you more control over your layout. To do that, go to Settings, Home Screen, then Desktop Grid to set up a unique grid pattern. Nova Launcher's performance enhancements make navigation smoother than ever. Animations are snappier and app load times are reduced. One of my favorite updates is the new gestures and shortcuts. You can now create custom gestures to open apps, toggle settings, or even launch Google Assistants. To do that, go to Settings, then on Gesture and Input, set up your preferred gestures. Try setting a double tap gesture to open your favorite app. Now, dynamic notifications are a game changer. You can customize notification badges for each app, including color and size. To do that, go to Settings, then go to Notification Badges. Select Dynamic Badges to see your unread counts displayed in a visually appealing way. Now, the app drawer has been redesigned for a cleaner look and better organization. You can now group apps into tabs and folders, making it easier to find what you need. Swipe up the app drawer, then tap the three-dot menu and select Manage Tabs and Folders to customize the app categories. And that's a wrap on the new version of Nova Launcher. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.